Every country in the world has laws. These laws should be followed by all people so that everyone can live a peaceful, happy life. But in some places, the laws are not applied equally to all people. Those with money or power are sometimes able to break laws without being punished. Sustainable Development Goal 16 is about peace and justice for all people. Laws should protect everyone, but sometimes this is not what happens. The people who suffer most when laws are not enforced are women, children, and the poor. In many parts of the world, women do not have the same rights as men. In some countries, children are forced to work long hours without being paid. Poor farmers are forced to leave their land when a new road or factory is built. What can ordinary people do to support peace and justice around the world? We can support charities that help the victims of violent crimes. We can refuse to buy products that are made using child labor. We can help poor farmers to stay on their land by buying their produce and sharing their stories with others.